Welcome back to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. Now in this lesson we're going to look at creating power clips in CorelDRAW. Now basically power clips acts like clipping masks, for example in Adobe Illustrator or in Photoshop. Now in Corel, instead of calling them clipping masks, we call it power clips. Now here I have this image and then I have this text at the top that the word is ocean. Now I want to create a clipping mask out of this. So what I'll do is I'll select the image, then come to Object, Power Clip, and place inside the frame. Now once that's done, the cursor will change into a black arrow. Now all I have to do is come and select where I want the text to go. So I'll select inside the text, and the image will go inside the text. And as you can see, we've created a power clip. Now, this comes with a lot of options. If I select it, you can see we have options over here. So the first one is Edit. If I select it, it will bring up the image and it will allow me to move it around and position it however I want it. So let's position like that, and once I'm done, I'm just going to come back here and click Finish, and you can see the changes have been made. The second option we have over here is Select Contents. Now, this is similar to the first one, but instead of bringing out the image, we'll make the changes from inside the text. So let's select it, and then now I can select the image, and you can see I'm actually moving it to the side. Like so. Once you're done, you just click outside and you're good to go. That one is Extract Context. Now this will separate the text and the image. Now here you have the image, and you can see the text has this X to it. This means that this text is now being considered as a picture frame. So that means it's a picture frame for this image, and if I take it back, so you have to make sure that you're at the midpoint. So I'll just bring it out again, so you can see that the text has this cross to it, meaning that it's a frame for this image. If you want to take it back, you just select the center and come here, make sure it's at the intersecting point of the text and release it, and then it will be back. And then the last content we have is Lock Contents. Now what this will do is that it will lock down the image, but now I can be able to move the text around. You can even rotate the text. There we go. So those are the options that we have in the seat control. Then so go ahead and try this out. Remember, all you have to do is come to Object, and that's where we have the command Power Clip, and then place inside the frame. Then try out with some images and texts and see how that will work out for you.